Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening everyone. So my name is Madam Zadatul Salwa and I'm a physics lecturer. So now I'm going to give you a brief introduction on what is physics and how the physics works. So science, we always learn from the history. We don't want any bad things that happened in the past to be repeated again. So here I have an image of a bridge that is called as Tacoma Narrows Bridge, which was built and completed its construction in 1940. So just few months after the completion of the construction, in a windy condition, the bridge starts to galloping like this. So it looks funny, but it happened. So and then half an hour later, the bridge collapsed. So the collapse of this bridge has puzzled architects, engineers, and scientists. So everyone really confused and why that really solid bridge can collapse. So they did research, investigation scientifically, and they considered the law of the physics itself, and then they rebuilt the same bridge and they built another bridge at the site, and those bridges still standing till today. So what happens to the law of the physics if the law of physics is not what happened? So there will be what we call it as a science catastrophe. So there will be a building failure, and a lot of people will confuse with facts that cannot be explained. So science is very important. So of course the scientific progress is built on failure. So we have to learn to handle the failure. So learning to handle the failure is just part of scientific life. And of course, we cannot deny that the development in science and technology has brought a lot of achievements and breakthroughs in various fields. So even the physics encompasses a remarkable variety of phenomena. So we have the field of construction, we have planetary orbits, we can focus on the automotives, and then we have optics and waves that leads to our fiber optics and so on technology. And then we have the radio and the TV waves. We have lasers that been used in industry to cut metals, and you even use the lasers in defense. And then we have magnetism. Okay, and there we can actually charge our phone wirelessly without any wire. So that is part of the magnetism technology. So the physics has developed out of the efforts of the man and the woman, which are the scientists, so that we can explain our physical environment. So that's how the physics works. So the physics always tries to predict how the nature behave in one situation, how we predict them based on the results of an experimental data that is obtained in another situation. So that's how it works. So we want to predict how things work by creating a principle, a theory or equation that has been proven in another situation. So there, physics involved with laws, equation, theories, laws, and principles. So these are the few examples of the laws that I'm talking about. Newton's law, we have Maxwell equation, we have Charles' law and Coulomb's equation, and many other more. So those are the basic things about physics. So I hope that you will get excel in physics, and let's get to know physics more. Good luck everyone.